Hello friends, in this video, I will guide you through why Monday.com crashes and how to fix it. Monday.com is crashing due to browser-related issues, browser cache, and cookies conflicting with the platform's loading process. Clearing browser cache and cookies is the first and most effective fix. Using an incognito window also helps to check if cache data or extensions are causing the issue. Disabling extensions that block Monday.com scripts often solves the problem. Internet connection issues can also cause crashes. Switching to another network or using a mobile hotspot can help confirm if this is the issue. Heavy boards or large data loads can overload the browser and cause it to freeze. Logging out and signing back can refresh the session and fix the issue. Checking if the problem is on Monday.com's side is also necessary. If the issue persists, try clearing cache, disabling extensions, switching networks, and using incognito mode to fix the problem. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.